Imagine waking up every morning surrounded by the peaceful beauty of the Texas Hill Country, where every home is set on a spacious 1-acre lot with room to breathe, stunning modern designs, and a community that feels like your own private retreat. Hi everyone, I'm Trudy Scott with Coldwell Banker D & Harper Realtors, and today I am thrilled to share Thornebrook, Bulverde's newest luxury community that perfectly blends elegance, nature, and everyday comfort. Here in Thornebrook, you'll find beautiful new construction homes by Perry, Toll Brothers, and David Weekley, thoughtfully designed for modern hill country living. Open concept layouts, large living spaces, casita options, 3+ car garages, high ceilings, and exceptional craftsmanship throughout. Each home offers a touch of sophistication with high-end finishes, flexible floor plans and design options, and elegant outdoor living spaces where you can take in those Texas sunsets right from your back porch. Prices start in the high 800,000s. Thornebrook is set within a sprawling master plan that will include over 90 acres of open space, 300 homes, beautiful community parks, a pavilion, and more than 4 miles of trails. Upcoming additions include a controlled access gate, a playscape, sidewalks, and gathering areas. This is designed to bring neighbors together and make this an inviting community for all ages. Located in Comel ISD schools and just minutes from downtown Bulverde, Thornebrook offers easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment, plus quick commutes to San Antonio via US 281 and Boerne via 46. You're also close to some of the Hill Country's best natural attractions and state parks, from the Guadalupe River to Canyon Lake. If you're dreaming of a home that balances elegance, comfort, and connection to nature, Thornebrook might be the perfect place for you. And I'd love to help you explore everything this incredible community has to offer. Please contact me for more information. I'd love to help.